Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'll introduce BONOSS with spacer for you guys. A hub-centric with spacer better for Lexus.
Installing quality Lexus with spacers can make the ride quality better by widening the track. In general, a wider track means more grip in almost every application. Even if you don't change the stock wheels and tires. The more track width, the better the handling of curves and swerving, and the better the rollover resistance.
When choosing with spacers, good quality ones are quite important. Good quality with spacer must be made of good material. The industry recognized of BONOSS with spacer is the aluminum alloy, usually two types of aluminum alloy, 6061 T6 and 7075 T6.
The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than the cast ones.
The advantage of choosing BONOSS aluminum alloy with spacer is that the hot anodizing process on the surface of the material brings better corrosion resistance and prevent rusting. Additionally, these BONOSS forged active cooling with spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. A brake fade occurs when the brakes heat up under long hot applications. So in this case, BONOSS forged active cooling with spacers send air into the rotors to keep the temperatures down. These come with active cooling grooves, which allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the with spacer when rotating.
In this way, this BONOSS forged active cooling with spacers can improve heat dissipation efficiency and reduce safety risk during driving.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get BONOSS with spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.